Hello children, so today we are going to do angles part 2. In the previous part we have done about triangles and straight line angles. In this we will learn about quadrilaterals, parallelograms and complete angle. Okay, so you can see here I have drawn here one quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilaterals are what? Quadrilaterals are the shapes that are made up of four sides. Four straight line closed figure are quadrilateral. Similar like triangle, they are made up of three straight lines. Quadrilaterals are made up of four straight lines. So I have, and all quadrilaterals are given you, all quadrilaterals are equal to 360 degree. Okay, all triangles are equal to 180, all quadrilaterals are equal to 360, whatever type of quadrilateral we have. Okay, so you can see here one angle is 101, another is 53 and third one is 90 degree. To find the fourth angle you will just write a full statement, or we can say equation. 101 plus 53 plus 90 plus x gives you 360. So therefore x equals 360 minus, add all this 101 plus 53 plus 90. So when you add all and subtract you will get 244. So 360 minus 244, which gives you answer 160. So the fourth angle is 160. Okay, now look here, the second one. This is a complete angle, full circle. Full circle again is total equals to 360. Okay, so same equation you will make here. 135 plus 70 plus x gives you 360. So therefore 360 minus 135 plus 70 will be equal to 205. That is equals to x equals to 155. Okay, now look at the third one. This is a parallelogram. So parallelogram again, it is a quadrilateral. Okay, one another important property for quadrilateral is that the opposite angles are equal. Okay, all angles are not equal. Opposite angle, it means this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. So it means if this is 64, x will be also 64. Okay, you no need to do any calculation for this. You can easily find out opposite angles. So it is 64. Another property children, the C shape angles, or we can say co-interior angles, this is and this is, or this one or this one. Okay, they always equals to 180. So if this is 64, this will also be 64. And now to find these two angles, we will use the co-interior property, that is two angles, two inside interior C shape. You see the C shape is forming here. They are always equals to 180. So therefore y will be 64 plus y gives you 180. So y will be 180 minus 64, which will gives you 116. So y is equals to 116. So this is the property for either trapezium, parallelogram. Okay, they are equal to all quadrilaterals. The co-interior angles are equal to 180 degree. Okay, now next one is you can see this is an isosceles triangle. Yesterday also the part 1 also we have done the isosceles triangle. So same thing we will do it here now. If the angles, two sides and base angles are always equal in isosceles triangle. So if this one is 77, this will also be 77. It means you will write here equation y plus 77 plus 77 will equals to 180. So y equals 180 minus 77 plus 77, add and subtract from 180, so you will get 26 degrees. Okay, now in some cases this angle is given and these two angles are missing. So in that case what you will do, you will subtract this angle from 180. Whatever answer comes, divide in 2, because these two angles are same. Remember, for instance, if this is here 36, so you will simply subtract, or we can say if this is here 26 and you have to find this one. So 180 minus 26, whatever answer comes, divide in 2, you will get 77. Okay, So now look at this next one. You can see another quadrilateral here. Okay, in this quadrilateral, the outside exterior angle we have to find. Inside three angles are given. This one is missing. Okay, so first you will use the property of a quadrilateral. So 108 plus 125 plus this is 90. So 90 plus this one is missing. So let's assume here y, because outside is x. So let me assume here y. Okay, so equals to 360. So y equals 360 and subtract all the three numbers, you will get 37 I think. 108 plus 125 plus 90 will equals to 37 degrees. So this y is 37 degree. Okay, now this is a straight line angle. You know that this is a straight line angle. All straight line angles are equals to 180. So subtract from 180. So you will get your answer 143 degrees. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay, so now look at the last one. Last one I have given you one exterior angle outside, one exterior angle here, and two intersecting lines making the one triangle. So it's very simple. First use the straight line policy and find the interior angle, this one. Okay, so 180 minus 151. Okay, so you will get here 29, means this is 29 degrees. Now you have two angles, so find the third angle. Okay, so 180 minus 29 plus 93. Okay, so you will get here 58, means this angle is 58. Now this is a straight angle again, so use again 180 minus 58. Your third angle will be 122. Okay, sorry. So y equals 122. Okay, so I hope now little confusions what you were having, it makes you clear. Now the third part which I am going to make is for intersecting lines, children. Okay, there are many angles when two intersecting lines or parallel lines, transversal lines, all those when they are coming together, there are angles form. Okay, what different types of angles form. So that one I will include in part 3. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.